In a lively village nestled among the rolling hills of West Africa, Mama Zola noticed a heaviness in the hearts of her fellow villagers. Crops had withered under a scorching sun, and spirits sagged with each passing day. Determined to lift their spirits, Mama Zola gathered the villagers beneath the shade of a towering baobab tree. "My dear ones," Mama Zola began, her voice gentle yet firm. "In times of hardship, it is easy to forget the blessings that surround us. Today, we shall dance the dance of gratitude." With rhythmic beats of the djembe drum and the melodious strains of the kora, the villagers formed a circle. They began to move, their bodies swaying in harmony with the music, feet stamping the earth in a joyous rhythm. At first, their movements were hesitant, but as the music filled their souls, their steps grew bolder and more exuberant. With each turn and sway, the villagers recounted their blessings, abundant harvests of seasons past, laughter shared around evening fires, and the warmth of friendships that spanned generations. As they danced, their burdens seemed to lighten, replaced by a profound sense of gratitude for the richness of their lives. Under the baobab tree's wise gaze, Mama Zola smiled. She knew that in embracing gratitude, the villagers had unlocked a source of strength and resilience that would sustain them through any challenge. The dance of gratitude became a cherished tradition, a reminder that even in the darkest times, gratitude could illuminate the path to joy and renewal. And so, the village flourished not just in prosperity, but in the boundless gratitude that bound them together, weaving a tapestry of resilience and hope for generations to come.